This was so unexpected. Oh! Bro, that's so cool. The way he made that omelet move like a snake was insane. Holy shit! Bro, now I really want to go to a hibachi restaurant so bad.
I got this!
Okay, even I'd be rizzed up after that. Bro's definitely a hardcore Naruto fan.
Watch me rap. Watch me nene. Watch me rap. Watch me. I love you, baby. You are my second wife.
Guys, how many of you have been to a hibachi restaurant before? How was the experience? Let me know in the comments.
Are you okay? Do you need something?
Whoa, that was really cool. I'm definitely trying that on my crush. Okay, that was funny, but I really feel bad for his blue shirt.